Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get mix capsules in Xenoverse 2. To begin, you'll find these essential items are crucial for crafting powerful Z-Souls and Super Souls, which greatly enhance your character's performance. You can obtain them through several methods, with parallel quests being a primary source. Some quests are known to offer better drop rates for specific capsule types, so knowing where to look is key to efficient farming. One of the most effective ways to gather mix capsules is by repeatedly completing specific parallel quests. For instance, quests such as Frieza's Siege or Explosion of Namek are often recommended for their generous drop rates. Always aim for an ultimate finish in these quests, as this significantly increases your likelihood of receiving rarer capsule rewards. Additionally, consider equipping a Super Soul, like 4-star Dragon Ball, to further boost your item drop chances. Beyond questing, you can sometimes acquire mix capsules directly from the item shop located in Canton City. Remember that the shop's inventory refreshes periodically, so it's a good idea to check back often for new stock. Once you have a good collection, head to the mix shop. Here, you can combine your capsules with specific recipes to craft powerful Z-Souls, tailoring your character's strengths to your playstyle. This process is vital for advanced customization. Don't forget about other valuable sources for mix capsules. Participating in expert missions can yield rare capsules, offering a challenging yet rewarding experience. Keep an eye out for online events and raids, as these frequently provide unique and powerful mix capsule rewards that aren't available elsewhere. Completing daily challenges and mentor quests also offers bonus items, including capsules. Always manage your inventory effectively to make the most of your collected resources and enhance your warrior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.